Hello everyone, I hope you are fine. This is the MT5 trading strategy. It's a beautiful strategy for scalping and trading gold, forex, crypto, any pair. Apply and enjoy your trade. Okay, this is the buying signal is here. Market is the upside move. Selling signal is here. Market crash now and dump. Okay. See, sell signal. Okay, this is a sideway area, but this is a sideway area. Okay, you trade must at 5 minute and time 15 minute time frame. Go 15 minute time frame. Okay, this is a sell signal. This is a buy signal, sell signal, buying signal, sell signal. Okay, you trade now matching the sell signal, 5 minute, go 5 minute time frame. Okay, go 5 minute. This is the signal of matching signal. Okay, match now and trade now. Okay, 15 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame, match signal and trade now. Okay, but 5 minute time is most scalping area, scalping trading now. More, for example, sell signal, trade now, buying signal, trade now, sell signal, buying signal, sell signal and buying signal. Okay, scalping strategy is the best strategy of this boom crash strategy, MT5. Okay, this is a MT5. Okay, most indicator are used for example desktop, my Mind.Set, my channel, MT5, TradingView indicator, boom crash MT5, MT4, spike detector. Okay, boom crash. Okay, MQL file available. TradingView where new indicators, TradingView chart indicator, DTC, FX, Mayfair, Pro V3, and all TradingView indicators are available. New folders, old indicators. Okay, this is the old indicators, scripts, TradingView, and new DTC, FX, Mayfair, Pro V3. But new next week indicator introduce V11, V12, TradingView indicator. TradingView chart, punch script is spaced. The script is punch indicator, punch script and TradingView chart. Okay, this signal, my English language is weak, sorry, do not mind. Okay, my English language is weak. Okay, you because I am Pakistan, my education is very not high. Okay, this is sell signal, buying signal, sell signal, my signal. It's a beautiful signal here. Okay, 15 minute time frame and buy 5 minute time frame, most beautiful. Buying signal is most beautiful signal and trade upside move and beautiful profit. But 5 minute time frame only scalping, and long trade 5 minute and 15 minute time frame matching the signal. For example, this is a buying signal, go to 5 minute. This is a matching the signal. Okay, this is a matching the signal. This is a long trade. Okay, long trade is now here. Okay, sell signal is scalping, buying signal, sell signal. 5 minute time frame is the scalping area, is the best area. Okay, so my WhatsApp number is I write here WhatsApp number. Okay, I write 0. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. You contact me, and this description, Telegram link is description. Okay, you open the Telegram and this file is my Telegram here. Okay, you enjoy this indicator MT5 and MT4 and most indicator, and next week inshallah V11, V12 indicator launch, gold and cryptocurrencies, forex, any pair, and beautiful indicators, beautiful strategy are available. So guys, enjoy your trade and goodbye, and most important stop losses and money management and risk management is most important. Trade sell signal is here and you stop loss is here. Buying signal is here, your stop loss is here. Sell signal is here, your stop loss is here. Buying signal is there, both buying signal is there. For example, buying signal is there, stop loss is here. Buying, dump, stop loss hit. Your most important. SL, most important. Risk management is most important. Trading strategy uses this indicator and more, any indicator use, but SL very important. Okay, so guys, well indicator and apply now MT5 TradingView MT5 indicator, TradingView indicator are be available, most indicators. So good luck and bye.